Alright guys, we have landed in Denver, and I think I mentioned this before, but I have a snowboard lesson at 12:30, so we are literally racing for our lives to get our bags, drive there, which is about an hour and a half, get into the hotel, change, and then get to my snowboard lesson. It's going to be very, very tight, and it's going to be very, very rushed. Haven't eaten yet today, so probably going to be hungry all day, but that's just the way it goes, really. Okay, so I'm at my baggage claim and Trent is going to go get the rental car just so we can save time. The rental car place is only like a mile away, so he's on the shuttle on the way there. I'm gonna get our 3 humongous suitcases. I swear, like, all this ski gear takes up so much room, and that wolf coat takes up literally a whole bag. So let's see if I can manage 3 huge suitcases and this rucksack to roll outside. It's gonna be interesting. I don't think I'm gonna have any spare hands to film, so yeah, I'm just gonna have to do it and then let you know if I survive. Oh my god, Trent got the wrong floor. He went to floor 4 and I was on floor 5. I had to drag all these suitcases down a whole floor. So annoying. Does not look like the right floor. It looks completely empty out there. That was a mission. Let's go. Wow. Alright, so the time is 11:40. We have just checked in, but our room is actually not ready yet, so I'm gonna have to get changed downstairs. Also just grabbed a little bite to eat. I just got some avocado toast, which is not great because there's no protein on there, but it will have to do since I have not eaten all day. Yay, we are on our way to go to get our ski rentals. It is around 12:32. The lesson starts at 12:45, so we might just make it. I'm absolutely sweating right now. I think I put on too many layers. I think I overestimated how cold it was going to be because it said 14 degrees in the car. And it definitely feels like 70 in this suit. Whew. How big this helmet is. Huge. But definitely just finished my first snowboard lesson. It was absolutely amazing. Adam was great, and yeah, I'm definitely going to be coming back for round 2 of lessons tomorrow because I definitely need some practice. On our way back down, did you have a good time?
Fucking day 1 in the books, baby.
Yay! So nice. Look how nice it looks. Man, I'd love to be able to do those kinds of slopes snowboarding. In the room, obviously had a really fun day at the snowboard slope. I didn't get that many videos because I was obviously just on the board, but I did get a few, most of them of me falling down, but there are a few of me standing up, which is great. So I'm excited to jump back on the slopes tomorrow. Definitely going to get another lesson because I am in need of some more guidance. So anyway, we came back to the hotel and we just have been chilling for the last few hours. We also had a little bite to eat earlier at this really cute little barbecue place, so we did fill our stomachs a little bit, but not completely. So we are pretty hungry and we are about to head to dinner at this place called La Tour. I think it's like French or something. So I'm pretty excited to enjoy an evening in Vail.
Aside from my soul,
Day 2, had a really nice rest. I woke up in the middle of the night and my whole body was just so dead. Like, kind of when you've been to the gym for a few days and you need a day off, that's how I felt in the middle of the night. But now that I've woken up this morning, I feel so much better. So we're actually going to eat proper breakfast today, since yesterday it was rushing around and we hardly ate, so I was so hungry on the slopes, but I'm determined not to be hungry on the slopes today. So we're going to eat some breakfast and then we're going to probably just get changed and go outside. But it is snowing, so I'm not really sure how I feel about snowboarding whilst it's snowing. I think it's going to be kind of intense, but I guess we'll find out. Alright guys, we are ready to head out there. I love this jacket, it's sick. Day 2 of snowboarding, let's see how we get on today. Little update, I've actually come to the little bunny slopes on my own while everyone has gone skiing and snowboarding, and I decided to get a little bit of practice in before my lesson. And honestly, like, I feel so much better today. Like, I just went down the slope really well, didn't fall, and I just feel like when you sleep on it, it kind of like sinks in. And I had a feeling that would happen. I'm like, I think I just need to sleep on what my body's done today, and tomorrow I'll feel much better, and I definitely do. So I'm actually so excited for my lesson today, and hopefully I can like progress and maybe try some slopes tomorrow, so I get to actually spend time with everyone, because I feel like I've just been on my own doing this. But I guess you have to do this at the beginning, but it's well worth it. I'm so pumped. I'm really excited that I just managed to go down twice. Well, in my eyes, pretty well. Better than yesterday, which is what you should always hope for. As long as you're better than yesterday, that's a win. So I managed to get some vertical video of me snowboarding on my second day. Massive improvement. I was going down the green slopes. As you can see, I felt so much more confident. I think the snow actually really helped me snowboard and get to grips with it. Absolutely epic day. Super pumped. So much fun. So then I ended up taking the gondola down with the instructor and spotted Trent skiing. Check this out. Yes, I got the wipe out. Trent!
First you get that one on video. The first time I called it.
Oh look, there's Trent wiped out right over there. That's so funny. So we just finished day 2 of snowboarding. Adam has been an incredible teacher. Wait, which slopes did we go down again? Was it a green one?
We went Eagle's Nest Ridge to Ledges.
Ledges, and it's green, right?
Ledges is blue and green.
Oh, so I went on a blue and a green slope, which I did not expect, by the way. Did not expect to be like being able to do that. I thought I was going to be on the little slopes the whole time. So you're the best. Thank you. It was epic. Such a fun day. We just got refreshed, nice and showered, cleaned up, and now we're ready to go eat some sushi.
Some sush magoosh.
Sush magoosh. I'm definitely craving some sushi. So hungry. I feel like when you're out there, you don't really, I didn't really think about eating the whole day, but now we're off the slopes. My hunger is really set in. Wonder if he'll wink again if I put the camera on his face. What face do you think he's gonna pull? How did you say your skiing went today?
Went pretty damn good.
You only wiped out when I caught you. You didn't wipe out the whole day, right?
Correct.
How funny is that I caught him? When I was on the gondola, I was like, that's Trent. And I was like, I'll just get a video of him. So I was trying to be nice and get a video, and then he wiped out. So yeah, it was actually quite amusing because his legs were in the air. He doesn't look too amused right now though, but hey.
Super amused.
So we never actually managed to get into the sushi place that we wanted to get to because we didn't really book a reservation prior. They didn't have any rooms, so definitely make sure you book in those reservations before you get to Vail. We ended up going to a place called Slope Room, which was really nice, and then we jumped into the hot tub at our friend's hotel, which was called Gravity House, and a really nice relaxing time, and basically just got an early night. Day 3, we are actually leaving today to go to Denver, but we wanted to get one last session in this morning. But right now I'm on a mission to find some hand warmers because yesterday my hands got freezing and they were an absolute lifesaver. Yay! These are absolute lifesavers. Now I'm going to be perfectly equipped for our little trip today. Wow, there was no silly face this time. I just had to stop right here because this area is so picturesque. Oh my god. Amazing. Alright, gotta go that way now. Ah! So this was a little clip that Trent got of me on day 3. I think this was my 6th hour snowboarding in total. So I was absolutely pumped to be enjoying these green slopes, and yeah, cannot wait to get out there again. Suitcase is packed, ready for Denver. Alright.
Your light start. Let's go.
Take care. Have a good one.
Thank you. See you. We have arrived to Evergreen, Colorado. Wasn't actually such a bad drive, and it's so peaceful. Oh my god. So I think who's that? Hi. How are you?
You look so cute.
Oh, thank you. What's up guys, we have made it to Evergreen, Colorado, and it's absolutely beautiful over here. We're staying in this really cute house. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but let's just see. And we'll be heading to Red Rocks this evening. Everyone's just kind of like upstairs in the games room, which I'll take you to in a minute, drinking and kind of getting the day started. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped for Red Rocks. If any of you guys have been there before, let me know if you have. I've heard it's like the best concert venue in the United States, so I'm pretty pumped to see it. But if you guys think there is another one that tops Red Rocks, definitely let me know in the comments because I would love to go check it out.
Samson. I'm happy.
Alright, so we are taking this bus to Red Rocks, so it's going to be pretty fun, I think.
Is it?
Hi, Mom. So here we are, in Red Rocks Park area, and as you can see from afar, this is where we'll be walking. It's a tumultuous uphill mile. I hope everyone's got their
Snow boots on.
calisthenics ready and
My broken wrist.
and everything's taped up.
We're going to get naked this time.
hopefully. It's another way to do it.
Hey.
Woo! Heads up.
Yay. Whoa, I can see red rocks. So into Red Rocks we went, we danced our little butts off all night, the energy was amazing, we had such a great time, and I would definitely recommend Red Rocks if you ever get the chance. So that was about it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of it. There's some clips of us during the concert. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.